This is a love reading for you, Aquarius, for January to February. In this reading, I'm going to take out cards for you and your love interest. Maybe it is your partner, it is your spouse, it's your crush, somebody who's your ex. So, this is a general reading, and everything will not resonate with all Aquarius, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. You also want to check is my January newsletter. I have attached the link in the description box. There is also links given to all the other readings that I do. You want to go through the details and then book a reading which you like. So, who are you, Aquarius, in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength and challenges you bring, your partner brings? How do you both see each other? What is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together? What is the past you both are coming from? And how's overall the guidance for the love reading? So, you may be with someone, Aquarius, who doesn't match your status or your lifestyle. I'm just saying is you are here someone who's very suited, very well dressed, and at a very good position, doing very well. And here is your partner who doesn't seem to be anywhere close to how affluent you are. I'm also seeing is so there is definitely lot of connection. I'm seeing is a two people who are very alike, are almost the same age group, but are just different, are different from a different social strata. So you both belong to a different social class, but seems like it's all working, and that doesn't have any bearing of any such sort on the union together. For some of you, your partner may be holding a certain hurt from the past. Maybe it is from the family, or maybe some siblings that your partner has had a fight with and is not connecting all that well. So, keeping that aside, the two of you are quite invested, and you both seem to have a great wavelength, or you both seem to almost finish each other's sentences, get along very well. Now, what is the strength and challenges you bring and your partner brings? So I'm seeing here is that you were someone who was going through a lot of difficulty or a very difficult phase, and then you had a great help come through. So you have been through a difficult life. It's not that you were always well to do and you always had a good situation. So you had those bad days, struggling days, when finally, or after all the help did come through and you were able to make a success of your life. I'm also seeing here is that you may have recovered from certain health issue, Aquarius. Some of you may have certain health concerns, and then a medical procedure or a certain medicines did work out for you. So, what is the strength and challenges your partner is bringing? I'm just saying that there's maybe a certain death that your partner is dealing with. That is the reason there is a lot of sadness emotionally that your partner carries, and it is right now not the best phase going on for your partner right now. He or she is not cheered up, is feeling the lows, and is generally not meeting many people. So I'm just saying is that your partner is going through certain kind of a death or a separation that they're dealing with. Maybe some of their friends have moved away, or the two of you may have relocated and your partner is really missing home. Now, how do you see your partner, and how does your partner see you? You see your partner as someone who's going to find lot of success, and he or she is already on the way to find immense success and glory. So you're also in the waiting, Aquarius. You're not pushing your partner, you're quite patient, because I'm here seeing is that you do see your partner as doing very well or coming out of the bad phase very well. So about in some time, so you are saying maybe in about few months or a year, your partner is going to rise and shine and do very well. Now, it's also possible that some of you are trying for pregnancy and it's taking long. And one of the questions you are asking again and again, Aquarius, is that will your partner be able to conceive? Will the two of you be able to raise a family? That is also an energy which is showing up. Your partner sees you as someone who's very playful by nature, and every now and then, you know, is very vocal about their views. Your partner feels sometimes you can just fight over nothing, even though it is harmless and it doesn't amount to much. So your partner feels that you are capable of a lot of fight sometimes, but nothing serious. So just that how your partner sees you. Also sometimes your partner feels, Aquarius, that you may be little bit immature into handling this relationship, or you're not emotionally as deep as they would like you to be. Now, what is the strength and challenges the two of you bring? Sorry, what is the hope and fear the two of you have about the future together? So, about the future, I'm seeing is you are willing to work with this partner or take things forward, provided it doesn't require way too much struggle or convincing, or it is not a quest. So you are willing to work with this relationship or with this partner till the time it doesn't become something very difficult or becomes a quest. You are not ready for a lot of sacrifices, you are not ready for giving in to a lot of struggle to be in this love situation. About the future, your partner feels that the two of you are very new to each other, and there is still a lot of bond to be built, lot of trust that needs to be created, and only then this relationship can move forward. So right now your partner feels the two of you are too new or young in this relationship to decide or think about the future together. So what is the past you are coming from, Aquarius, and what is the past your partner is coming from? In the past, a lot of you were under a lot of stress and you tried to make a lot of things work, career wise, responsibilities, and it looks like you always kept hitting a dead end, and it was a no, and the struggle was very real and you could really not make it. So past has been full of struggle and difficulty, and thankfully your prayers got answered and now you're well off. Your partner comes from a very affluent job situation or is a very fair minded person. I'm just seeing a very strong personality here. So your partner doesn't give in to any kind of a hate or dislike very easily. He or she is a very fair person and has the ability to decide or make decisions keeping the emotions away. So very very fair and a beautiful person with a very strong personality that I'm seeing your partner is. Now let us see how's overall the guidance for the love reading. So this is a very beautiful union in making the two of you are very true to each other. There is a lot of simple life that the two of you approve of and are living together. There is no mind game here, nobody's lying, nobody's cheating. I'm just seeing two very, very sincere, genuine people who are together. This is also telling me the two of you may have met before couple of times and then didn't take notice, or you were friends and now maybe you are together. So this is how it's showing up. It's this is union is based on completely being genuine to each other and being very truthful. So you both are very very real, very sincere to each other. So very beautiful cards here. So, this is how the reading is, Aquarius, for you and your love interest.